a stink bug right there at your pals, see? Mommy sees the stink bug. Mr. Furley playing with the stink bug. Mr. Furley's letting the stink bug walk up to his paws so he can paw at him. See that brown thing that looks like a bean is a stink bug. Yeah, there he goes. Get him, Mr. Furley. Mr. Furley and the stink bug. There it goes. Can you get it? Mr. Furley said, woo-wee.